Hi, today we're going to be unboxing the new Samsung HW-N950 soundbar Series 9. This one is their collaboration with their newly acquired audio brand Harman Kardon. And let's do it. By the way, the previous one that I owned from Samsung, which is soundbar as well, is the HW-N950. I recently just sold it because I didn't really like the sound that much, and it doesn't have the atmos as well. This one, by the way, is a 512 watt soundbar with 17 built-in speakers, which is 7.14 channel, and it is Dolby Atmos capable and Dts-X capable as well. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and HDMI, and smart things as well. Let's get to the box. I'll show you the sound bar later. Oh, this one is actually really big. This one. Take it out of the box first. Oh, it's huge. Way bigger than the previous one that I got. Get this. Put this near the camera. Okay. Let's get this one first. See what's inside the box. There you go. This one is actually the third soundbar that I purchased. The first one is the LG SK8, which I didn't like that much as well. We got the warranty card right here, some HDMI cable, the power cords for the soundbar and the subwoofer. We have some wall brackets as well. Of course, we have the remote, which is the same one that comes with the HW-N950. We have some batteries, and that's about it in that box. Let's see what the subwoofer looks like. It's actually bigger than the other one. Bigger than the one that comes with the HW-N950. Alright. Okay. When I unbox things, I actually don't want the packaging to be broken. Therefore, if you are going to sell it, it still looks like it's brand new, you know. Now, let's get that out of the way. But this one, I probably won't be selling this one in the near future, because I just sold the HW-N950. That's why I was able to purchase this. Yeah, there you go. Looks big, huge. There it is. Let's take it closer to the camera. Subwoofer actually for the HW-N950 is made out of metal right here, but this one is made out of mesh cloth right here on the side. You've got the user manual here, which nobody actually ever reads. And by the way, this kit comes with the rear speakers. The HW-N950, you actually have to purchase the separate SW8500S for you to experience the 5.1 channel surround sound. But this one actually comes with a kit. This one, by the way, retails for $1,999 right here in Australia, which is very, very expensive. But with all the reviews that I found online, I haven't seen not one review which actually says that this one is bad. So it probably is a very good sounding speaker. And the back speaker is big as well. The H650 is actually that small. It's like a toy. But this one actually has a real solid feel to it. And it really looks like a speaker. Where in the N650 is like probably this small. And that size. So it's pretty small. So this one's actually really big. And by the way, this one has an up-firing speaker as well, which is right there. You can see that. If you could actually see it right there. And you put it right there. Put it down. And by the way, another set of power cables. I want to box this because it's the same one as that one, so save the time. And let's get to the main man. Let's get to the main thing you came here for. This one is actually really heavy. That one is actually pretty heavy, so I'll put it down there. By the way, the total weight of the packaging itself is 27 point something kilos, so it's actually pretty heavy. So if you're going to mount it on the wall, I suggest that you actually mount it on a very sturdy wall, because this speaker is actually huge. I'm telling you now, it's actually huge. Bigger than, it's actually heavy. So there's the speaker. You have the power port right there. The HDMI and optical audio in slots right there. HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and the TV ARC out input. Alright. There is your power and the volume adjustment, and this one's for the Bluetooth. So this one is actually engineered by Harman Kardon right there. It has up-firing speakers as well, and side-firing speakers too. So this is gonna be really good. And according to the reviews that I've seen in YouTube, this one's actually probably the best sounding Atmos soundbar there is today. So there you go, unboxing of the HW-N950 soundbar from Samsung. There it is, right here on Pinoctech Unboxings. See you again on the next one. Bye.